So I want to show you some of the new functionality with Google Classroom and some of the AI tools that are now available to educators via Google Classroom. So let's jump in. So I'm going to click on the Rubik's Cube over here and go to Google Classroom. And this is my Google Classroom. Now, notice over here, there's something now called Gemini. All right, so let's click on Gemini, and this is fantastic. So now it's got all these options now where you can create stuff. All right, so you can explore these however you want. I'm just looking down here, create an audio lesson. Wow, I might try that one. Let's try that one. So create an audio lesson. Let's have year 5 and the topic. So I've got a topic here. Paste that in. So this is a topic about the solar system. So let's generate the learning objectives and see what happens. All right, students will be able to identify the sequence of major stages in the formation of the solar system. Okay, so you can see there is my learning objectives. And now we can personalize the audio lesson. So choose the avatar's voices for the audio lesson. So let's do that. So I'm going to choose that one. Let's do that one. Let's play the voice.
Welcome. I'm here to guide you through the material and highlight the key
Okay, well, let's have a look and see if there's another voice. I think it's going to be American.
Welcome. I'm here to guide.
Right, let's stick with voice 1. And for voice 2.
That sounds interesting.
Okay, so let's have a look at that. And let's see what that creates. All right, there's not a lot of choices here for avatars. There's not a lot of choices for the voices. It's an American voice. So let's now generate audio lesson. Let's see what happens. Okay, you can see here, it's actually producing the script in effect. Okay, so there is my lesson. So we've got the script here. So we can read the script if we want to, and then we can play it. Let's have a listen.
Hello. Today we're going to dive into the amazing story of how our solar system was formed, a tale that took about 4.6 billion years to unfold. We'll be exploring the 4 main stages that took us from a giant cloud of dust to the sun and the planets we see today.
That sounds really interesting. I'm ready to learn about it. Where do we start?
We start right at the beginning, about 4.
Okay, we're not going to play the whole thing, but we can then export that. All right, we can export it to Drive. We can export it to Slides. Now, that's interesting. So what happens when we export it to Slides? Here we go. All right, exporting to Slides. This may take a minute or two. So let's come back in a second. Okay, there we go. So what it's done is actually created and put that script into Slides. So if we play that slideshow, that's what it's going to look like. Not fantastic, but, it's a really good start. Okay, so that's an audio lesson. Now, let's go back. I'm going to export that just to so I can keep it. So let's see what else we can do. So let's use the same kind of concept. Maybe let's go back to Gemini. Let's outline a lesson plan. So let's use the same idea. So we're going to say year 5 again. And a general template, not quite sure what that means, but we'll keep it as general, and describe the topic that you want to teach and the knowledge or skill that your students may demonstrate. So I'm going to put in the same thing again. All right, so this is a solar system. Can you focus on using technology for this lesson, such as with one-to-one iPads? What the students can create must be capable of uploading to Google Classroom. So, so that says it all there. So let's create the learning objectives. There are my learning objectives, and describe your class. Okay, so I've got a class. Let's click on Generate Lesson Plan. And there we go. So this is my lesson plan. Obviously, we can adjust this and change it. So there's some activities there. We've got an assessment ticket. We can export that. So let's export that. We export it to Google Docs. Okay, so there is my lesson plan exported to Google Docs. Fantastic. All right, so let's go back now and see what else we can do with this. Let's generate a quiz. So let's generate a quiz from that. So year 5, let's do 10 questions, and we'll keep everything the same there. And we're going to choose multiple choice. true or false. We'll leave it at that for now. Let's generate those questions. Okay, so we've got our quiz here. They're all our questions. We could obviously go through these questions and adjust them if we need to. I'm not going to worry about that now. We've got some options at the bottom here. Simplify the sentence structure and vocabulary used in questions so we can simplify it. Create a more difficult version. Provide a more complete answer with explaining the... Right, so that could be a good one to do. So let's add that and send that off. So if the student gets it wrong, it will then explain a little bit more about the correct answer. So the user, there we go. All right, so okay, so now what we can do is we can export this. We can add it to our class, we can export it to docs, or we can export it to a form. If we add it to the class, let's choose the class. So I'm going to add it to my test class here. Class work type. So let's choose it as a quiz assignment and then confirm. So let's see what happens there. It's exporting it to forms. So it's going to take a minute or two. Okay, so here's my assignment. It's added the quiz to the assignment. So the solar system, let's type that in. Quiz. All right, and grading opportunities. So we can add other things. This is working just like a Google Classroom assignment. So I'm not going to go through the details of that. So we can add things on this side. Let's just then assign that. Okay, so that's now assigned and gone back to our Google Classroom. So if we go back to our Google Classroom, I'm going to open a new tab to see that. So let's go back into Google Classroom here because I don't want to close that down at the moment. All right, let's go into our test class. All right, there is our assignment. And if we click on that one, it should bring up the quiz. There it is. Okay, so there is our Google form. All right, as a quiz. Total points, so we can adjust that if we want to. That's a bit of a game changer for me. Okay, so let's go back to our outline. We've already, we can export that as a doc as well if we want to. I'm just going to leave that. Let's go back to our lesson plan. Well, we have saved it already, so I'm going to say OK to that. So back to Gemini. I'm not going to go into the detail of all of these, but there's some other things you can do. We've got some prompts here that we could potentially use. We've got some more AI tools that we can look at here. Starting a chat, creating a gem. Gems we'll look at in maybe another video. NotebookLM. That is incredible for teaching and learning. There are plenty of videos on YouTube that you can look at. Build AI knowledge, lots of feedback, and you can send some feedback to Google if you want things to be a little bit better. So that's really using the new Gemini features within Google Classroom. Enjoy.